So in this video, we're looking at GBPJPY on the 4 hours time frame chart. We had the market consolidating within this descending channel. So this was the ascending channel that the price was trading within, and we're having this consolidation going on here. So at this point, we got a break below the bottom of the ascending channel and also the bottom of this very descending channel. So there was a break of this very confluence area. This is a critical level, this very level between 166.95 and 167.41. So when price broke below this very confluence of supports here and dropped sharply to this very point, the price found support here because of this very previous support. So price found support here and is rallying back to this area. So this is a critical point where the price has found itself. So if price is able to reclaim this area, if price closes above here, then you'll see price rise up towards these highs, okay, because we still have imbalances all around here. A close above this will take price back up into this very area. But if the price is rejected here, then we may have a further move back to these lows and possibly back to this area, these lows too. So if price is rejected at this point, then we'll see price slide back to this point, then back to this very key level. That is my take on GBPJPY. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. And remember to check out my mobile trading accelerator course, which will be coming out a few weeks from now. Thank you for watching.